In this video, we will walk you through the essentials: setting up your new account, configuring your system settings, and uploading your initial site data. Sign in with your Trimble ID to easily connect your projects right into the Trimble ecosystem that allows Trimble Connect to be utilized for both importing and exporting data within Trimble Mine Insights. Once you are signed in, you will land on the main dashboard. The menu on the left provides quick access to our comprehensive knowledge base and support team, ensuring help is always just a click away. Moving over to the top right corner, click your initials to open your user profile. Here you can easily update your profile settings, initiate a password change, manage your Blaster license, edit company information, adjust project settings, and configure your measurement types, along with your designer and customer details. In addition, you can track your project usage, view My Plans, or purchase license. Finally, navigate to roles and permissions to control user access levels. You can create custom roles for your subdomain. With your account settings and team permissions fully configured, let's navigate over to the main admin dashboard. Here, you have various settings to control your workspace. You can access domain login to create and manage subdomains and use domain configuration to customize your reports. Access My Plans and purchase license to manage your active subscriptions. You can use company profile to update your business details and invite to subdomain to quickly onboard new team members. In the Domain Drills and Domain Hole Feature Types tab, admins can manage your site's drilling assets and customize visualization of your drilling information. For advanced customization, you can use custom terminology and formats to tailor the platform's labels and units to match your site's specifics. Data API settings allows you to manage seamless data connections with your other software systems. Use MoveSite to easily transfer projects across different subdomains. And finally, use Fielder settings to control specific field application permissions for each user on your team. Now let's take a closer look at how to structure your account using domains and subdomains. In Trimble Mine Insights, your domain represents your overarching company account. Within that domain, you can create individual subdomains for each of your specific mine sites or quarries. Each subdomain consists of all your active sites, keeping your projects organized in one place. Within each active site, you'll find all your individual project uploads. To begin data upload, click the New Project button in your subdomain. Then, choose the type of data you want to upload, such as raw drone imagery, import pre-processed files from other photogrammetry software, or point cloud files from LiDAR scanners. You can easily choose an existing site to work in, or make a new site, simply entering the new site's name and location to establish a dedicated workspace. When setting up a new site, your location must be accurate, as all future data uploads must fall within a 50-kilometer radius of this point. You can pinpoint your site by entering latitude and longitude coordinates, selecting a specific point on the map, or uploading a geo-referenced drone image. Next, you will define your site's coordinate system using one of three methods. You can select a published system from the standard global library, or by using an EPSG code. If your site relies on a specific local calibration, you can easily upload your local grid using a Trimble JXL file. Finally, for highly customized spatial definitions, you have the option to manually enter a Proj4 string. Once our site has been created, select your site and enter a project name. Then, simply toggle the specific AI models you want to run automatically once your data is uploaded. If you are using ground control points, you can toggle GCP data here, though we cover the detailed GCP template workflow in a separate video. If you are utilizing a PPK or RTK drone workflow, you can upload a CSV file to override the standard image tags with your highly precise, survey-grade coordinates. Next, you can select a specific regional geoid to ensure your vertical elevations perfectly match local surveying standards. To keep your terrain models clean and your volume calculations accurate, toggle Auto Remove Equipment to automatically filter out heavy machinery like trucks and excavators. Finally, enable the satellite map layer to provide a real-world visual background for your site. Now let's import your dataset directly from your local drive or seamlessly through Trimble Connect. Once your data is loaded, click Next. Review and verify your files. After verification, click Upload, and be sure to keep your window open until the transfer is complete. The system will then automatically begin processing your data in the background. You will receive an email notification as soon as your project is ready to view. Use the 2D view to inspect the orthomosaic map, or toggle over to the 3D view to interact with the full 3D mesh for detailed spatial analysis. To compare your 2D and 3D models at the same time, select the Split View tool from the top right corner. The screens are perfectly synced, meaning zooming or panning in one view automatically moves the other to match. You can also switch to the point cloud view to examine your site's point cloud data. This is perfect for checking data density and verifying the underlying terrain structure without the surface mesh. The platform also includes a full suite of measurement tools. Use 2D distance for flat horizontal measurements or to create 2D profiles, 3D distance to measure from point to point away from the data model, and the area calculation tool to quickly determine the exact size of any polygon you draw on the map. To keep your project organized, all of these measurements can be easily saved and sorted into custom folders right within the Measurements section. Keep your project organized by sending your measurements directly into specific folders. If you need a new category, you can quickly create a new folder right here without leaving the tool. Now let's look at the 2D line measurement tool. When you draw a line, the platform instantly calculates both the horizontal length and the true surface length over the terrain. You can also view precise coordinates and individual segment details. Best of all, it generates an interactive elevation profile. Just slide your cursor along the graph to pinpoint the exact elevation at any specific location, or to verify AI models such as Haul Road, AI Safety Berm Heights. Switching over to the 3D line tool gives you a completely different perspective. As you draw your measurement in three-dimensional space, the platform instantly displays the true 3D length. It also breaks down the precise coordinates and detailed data for every single segment of your line. Now let's explore one of our most powerful features, the Area tool. By drawing a polygon around your site or stockpile, the platform instantly calculates the total 2D area and the perimeter. But it goes much deeper than that. This tool acts as your complete volumetric calculator, automatically processing the exact cut and fill volumes for your selected region. You can compare these volumes using a variety of base options. Whether you are measuring against a custom elevation, an imported design surface, or even a previous flight to track progress over time. Additionally, you can pull up a detailed profile view to analyze the cross-section of your terrain. Finally, you can toggle on the 3D surface visualization, allowing you to inspect the exact topography and elevation changes of your measured area in a highly detailed, interactive 3D space. Next up is the Point tool. By dropping a pin anywhere on your site, you instantly get its exact coordinates and elevation. Even better, you can compare this specific point against your previous uploads, allowing you to easily track elevation changes and monitor site progress over time. When you're finished analyzing the site, you can generate a comprehensive report of all your saved measurements. Next, let's explore the Design and Layers panel. This is your central hub for controlling exactly what visual data is displayed on your screen, allowing you to easily turn individual layers on or off as needed. Starting with the basics, you can toggle your high-resolution orthophoto and the orthophoto outline. You can also activate the grid view for quick spatial reference, or turn on camera positions to verify your drone's flight path and see exactly where each image was captured. Moving deeper into the menu, we have the Elevation Heat Maps. This section gives you a powerful suite of topographical tools. You can view the digital surface model or switch to the digital terrain model. To enhance the topography, you can toggle on the Hillshade DSM or Hillshade DTM. For more visual options, we offer colored hillshade options for both your surface and terrain models. Once selected, you can easily choose a custom color schema that best highlights your site's unique elevation changes. Finally, you can activate the slope heat map to quickly identify steep grades and turn on your contours to visualize precise elevation intervals across your entire project. You can also upload your own design files to compare your planned models directly against the collected data. By clicking Upload Design File, you'll unlock several overlay options. You can upload 2D design surfaces like DXF files, or bring in full 3D visualizations, such as IFC files, to perform detailed comparative analysis right on your 3D model. If you have standard 2D drawings like PDFs or JPEGs, you can upload and manually align them directly to the map. The platform also fully supports geographic data, like KMLs and shapefiles, alongside CSV uploads for precise point measurements and for advanced mining operations. You can upload block models to visualize subsurface data, material types, and/or boundaries directly within your 3D environment. Simply select your file type, upload your document from either your local drive or Trimble Connect, and instantly integrate your site designs with reality.